When I pluck this dicot weed, we know it's a dicot because it has branched veins. We will most likely see something very different. Can you see how this has a very dominant taproot that goes straight down? It has some branched little smaller root hairs or secondary roots, but primarily it has a single taproot. On the other hand, a grass plant is a monocot. If you look very closely at it, the veins on each leaf are parallel, so we know it's a dicot. And when we pluck that out of the ground, there are really not any single primary roots, just a whole lot of fibrous roots. Okay? Then there's something else. All right, there's one more kind of roots. In here is a probably red clover, could be white clover plant, and they're in the legume family. Legumes are plants that do this really cool thing, and I'm going to show you what that is. When I pull this out of the ground, first of all, it's going to be very stuck, but hopefully we can see this in a video. When you look at the roots, those very tiny white balls are what's called bacterial, they're root nodules. And those root nodules are full of bacteria called rhizobium. And the rhizobium actually take atmospheric nitrogen, and it's called fixing it. They fix it and they chemically change the nitrogen in the air into nitrogen that this plant can use to make protein tissues and grow and develop. And some people say that if you have a lot of these plants, that there'll be a big enough population that they will actually build nitrogen in your soil for other plants.